What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be propagating some of the dragon fruit that we got when we were on our fall garden tour. One of the hosts was pruning her trees and she was so nice to pass some of these out. So I'm doing the stem cut. Is it called style?
Stem cut method.
I'm doing the stem cut method on today's propagation. So I'm going to take it and right here. If you look right here, this is a stem. So I'm just going to kind of copy that same cutting right here, and right here.
Because it's the way dragon fruit grows, as you can see, it grows in sections. So it'll grow from stem to stem and put out another section, and stem to stem, as you can see. So.
Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start snipping away. And you want to cut it as close to the bottom as possible so you can have that little part. And there you go.
Turn to the side.
Okay, so that's one. And I'm going to do another one right here.
On that one, hold it back up. On this one, the stem is a little bit damaged from what we initially or originally took it off the other plant. So I think with this one, we're gonna try one of the other cuts, the other methods, and we're gonna try that with this one.
Okay, all right. So in that case, I'll do just the straight cut on this one. But in that case, it's gonna be a flesh cut. So we're gonna have to leave this outside for.
What she's doing now is straight cut. You see that? She just took off the end. I'm hoping that it's focused enough, but she just took off the end. And so you don't just plant this directly into the soil because it's gonna get. You don't just plant this directly into the soil because it's gonna get diseased and it's gonna rot. So we have to let this sit for about 5 days and let it scab over. Once it scabs over, like what's over the tip here,
or something like that, it's a little harder.
Exactly, it's gonna become a little bit woody, a little bit harder. Then we're gonna plant it. So if that's the straight cut, that's it. Just cutting straight across the plant, or across the I don't even know what to call it, but that section, and letting it scab over. And then after it scabs, after a few days, you plant it.
And it's important to note that we're going to leave this outside for a few days, but you're going to have to leave it in shade. Don't leave it out in the sun because it's going to suck all the
life out of it.
Yeah, the life out of it. So we're going to leave it in shade for a few days.
All right, cool. Go.
Okay, so now, actually, I'm sorry, Biddy. We need you. All right, so we're going to go ahead and plant these and.
I would just push it in there.
Yeah, that's a good idea. So we'll leave it like that, okay? And I'm just gonna push it down. Ouch. In there.
There you go. Be careful with these things because they got prickles. They bite. So all you're doing is show the stick this time. So all you're doing is taking the stick and pushing it straight down into the soil. Back. So keep in mind, we've never done this before. So this is our first time doing this. So hopefully we're doing everything right. In a few months, you guys will see us with some dragon fruit cactus. Oh, my bad. I didn't show it. All right.
I love cactus. I love the way it looks. What is that? little B right there, y'all. LB.
You got to
Give him as much support as we can. All right.
And that's it, you guys. That's it. This last one, like I said, we're gonna leave it alone for a little bit. Let that end scab over, and then we're gonna plant that once it scabs over. And we'll do an update video showing you guys when we plant that, and we're gonna give you updates as to when this, to show you the progress of the
We'll show you how many more Jack is doing.
That's right. That's right. All right. Today is what, November 10th. So we'll give you guys an update and show you guys how everything's doing. So thank you guys for tuning in. If you got value out of this, if this helped you in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. Share this with your friends. If they got any kind of dragon fruit, or they're thinking about growing some. And also, let us know if you've ever grown any what you call this stuff? Dragon fruit. And let us know how it's doing. All right, let us know how it's doing. So once again, guys, thank y'all for watching, and we'll catch you guys next time.